Today, we are here at this Working at Heights workshop. This is part of the overall strategy that we designed together with 3M. The purpose of this event is because working at heights is one of the leading causes of fatalities and serious injuries in the steel industry. For this event, we have invited our Safety and Health Committee members. The main purpose is to provide the educational and visual tools for them to use and to really know what are the best safeguards that they can implement in their workplaces.
We've set up various different scenarios for them today, so we've had a look at working mutes and cherry pickers. We've also had a look at confined spaces, how they can solve the access and recovery in confined spaces. We've had a look at rescue of a fallen casualty, how they can safely recover a casualty from a suspended access scenario. We've looked at low-level work at height, how we can help solve those issues of particularly low fall clearance issues. And we've also set up an evacuation scenario as well to show how they can evacuate from height if they need to as well. So the aim of today is that people take away knowledge of how they can solve these work at height scenarios, the different solutions that are available, but also that they have learned some of the hazards that are present so that they can better understand their work at height environments.
We are really hoping that our members can use all the content through this campaign to really implement the tools, and we can create better, safer and more reliable working places. My advice for the industry to reduce serious injuries and eliminate fatalities is to go and analyze all potential scenarios where a fall can occur. Verify that your safeguards are strong enough to prevent these kind of accidents, and if not, try to analyze together with your team on what are the best solutions that you can implement.
Today's been a really informative day, looking at some new technology with regard to fall protection, options within our business that really fit well.
Key takeaways I've learned today have been around the type of equipment that can be employed, some of the different techniques, how we could then maybe use some of the technology that they've got in a consistent way across our organisation. So I'll be looking to certainly explore how we're currently doing some of those things at the minute compared to what I've seen today.
3M are incredibly proud to be working with the World Steel Association to help educate their members on work at height scenarios and the solutions to solve those problems.
I believe everybody has enjoyed this event. I think this is a great opportunity for all our members to see what collaboration means for worldsteel.